In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check with Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find spell check, how it works, and how to apply corrections with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to access all your Google apps. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the spreadsheet you want to edit so you see the right files. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon, sometimes called the Apps Launcher or Waffle. This opens the panel with all your Google apps. From that panel, click Sheets. That takes you straight into Google Sheets, where you'll see your recent spreadsheets. Go ahead and open your document. If you have many files, the search bar at the top of Sheets can help you find the exact one faster by name or keyword. Once your spreadsheet is open, look along the top menu bar and click Tools. This is where Google Sheets keeps several helpful utilities, including the spelling features. In the Tools menu, hover your mouse over Spelling. Don't click yet, just hover. A small submenu will appear, giving you spell-related options. This is handy when you want to focus on proofreading without hunting around the interface. From that submenu, click Spell Check. Google Sheets will scan your sheet and highlight the first potential misspelling it finds. You'll see a suggestion panel with one or more recommended corrections based on the detected word. The cell containing the word will be highlighted so you can easily see it in context. When you're ready to accept a suggested correction, click Change. Sheets will apply the fix to the current cell and then move on to the next potential issue. If you're unsure about a suggestion, take a second to glance at the surrounding data to make sure the change makes sense, especially for names, product codes, or abbreviations that might be spelled intentionally a certain way. As a tip, if you selected a specific range before starting, spell check will only review that selection, which can save time on large sheets. Continue clicking. Change to work through each suggestion until Sheets confirms there are no more misspellings to review. If you ever accept a change by mistake, remember that you can undo immediately with your keyboard shortcut or the undo button. That's it. Simple and effective. Using spell check regularly helps keep your data professional and clear, especially before sharing or presenting your sheet. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Google Sheets.